We talked about first and 10. All right, just go to the basics, right? Let's block. Let's just move down the field. Save, save, save. You know, then maybe you get 5 yards. Now we're 2nd and 5. What do we do, right? It's not the end of the game. We're moving the ball. So now it's just being smart about it, right? Control what you can control. I mean, what can you control in the game is your actions. So it's your exposure to the stock market. We just said, all right, well, here, you can't go all bonds. Maybe it makes sense to have some stocks, some bonds. Take a look at the fees. And of course, Big Al, you got to take a look at taxes. When people are just moving the ball down the field, they're likely to do pretty well.
It's just one play after another. That's kind of what retirement is. It's kind of a long-term game. And so let's say, Joe, you get to, you get the 3rd and 2. Yeah, so now what? So the 3rd and 2, we want to talk about investing. And so to invest properly, prudently, you want to make sure you're globally diversified. Right, make sure you use low-cost funds, whether it's ETFs or funds or index funds. Stay invested. This is a tough one. Joe, staying invested is one of the hardest things to do, especially at times like these. But study after study has shown that it's really the better way to go.
Yeah, without question, Al. I want you to take action right now. Go to our website, yourmoneyyourwealth.com. Click on the Retirement Readiness Guide. That's our special offer to you this week. It's updated with 2021 numbers. It's our Retirement Readiness Guide. Get ready for retirement with our guide. Go to yourmoneyyourwealth.com.